In this video, we'll look at how to import your online orders from hhimagehost into your hhschools projects. Once you've downloaded your online orders from hhimagehost, go ahead and open up your project. In the upper left-hand corner, select Project, and from the menu options, go down to Package Order Imports, and we're going to go ahead and select Import our prepay export file. Click on that. Select the file that you want to import. On this dialog, it shows you which fields are being used for text notification and email notifications. Go ahead and click Continue. This dialog shows you how your imported data is going to match up with the data that's in the project. So just be sure that you have everything that you need selected appropriately. Then go ahead and click Import. Here you can see what hhimagehost import data has been matched to the hhschools project data. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Import and Match button. Your prepay export file from hhimagehost is being matched to the data in hhschools by first name, last name, and what we call a B-ranked field. That's something like grade or teacher. If any one of those don't match, then it's thrown into a manual match dialog, which is what we're looking at here. If you look in the upper right-hand corner, you can see there's one of three that are not solid matches that we need to look at. So if you look at this, the import data from hhimagehost is Ben Peterson, and the hhschools project data has Benjamin Peterson. The grade matches up, the teacher matches up. I'm going to go ahead and check this for a match and click Next. Same thing here. Weston Delap, grade 6, teacher Cook. You can see the first and last name match, but the grade value and the teacher values are different. If you look at it, you can see it does match, so I'm going to go ahead and click Match. Click Next. Here you can see we have hhimagehost import data to be imported into our project, but there's no matching data in the project itself. This is an example where the student's parents paid for a package, but the student hasn't been photographed yet. In this case here, all we can do is skip. Now, that information that we skipped is going to be put into an exception report. We can't move on unless we save that exception report. So go ahead and click Export CSV File, and you can sort it however you want to. Name your file Unmatched and save it. Go ahead and click on Proceed to Edit Project. That takes you back into your project where you can sort by web order number, is not blank. Click Apply, and you can see all the orders that you just imported into your project.